So quick tip on getting the VCT solenoid out, valve cover, when there's low clearance. So what I did was, dang, these freaking lights. So what I did to get the VCT solenoid out was lift up the front of the cover far enough to get access to the Torx, 27 Torx screw right here. And I took a wrench with a Torx adapter on it, and I was able to get right in there, loosen it up. Once I got the nut loose, or bolt loose, I just wiggled the VCT solenoid out enough to make it come up through here to get it out of the hole, and then I was able to move the valve cover up enough to drop it out in an angle to make it horizontal with the engine block, and then pull it up through the top. And I did that on both sides. Just, it definitely helped on this side to get the VCT solenoid out with the clearance that I had on this side. So I suggest doing that if you can, to remove the VCT solenoids that way without having to remove a bunch of extra stuff, to give you some more clearance on getting the valve covers off, because they do stick up pretty high. I know some methods suggest buying the new gaskets. Some methods suggest buying the new gaskets and just pulling these off and pull out the solenoids through the hole, but I didn't want to have to buy new gaskets. I actually didn't think I'd need them, so if I order them now, I wouldn't get them for a while, for a few days. I'm trying to get this job done this weekend, so that's one way to get the VCT solenoids out.